Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have what matters: an Apple TV, a source device, and Wi-Fi. Turn on Apple TV and sign into the same Apple ID on your iPhone or Mac. This lets AirPlay and home sharing work. Next, update TV OS and your device OS so codecs match, and enable home sharing in the TV or music app if you plan to stream from a computer. Once done, open the video on your device and get ready to send it. AirPlay or home sharing will be your two first actions. You now choose the delivery path. If using AirPlay, play the video on your iPhone or Mac, tap the AirPlay icon, select your Apple TV and choose Stream or Mirror. This offloads playback to the TV almost instantly. If using home sharing, open the computer's app on the Apple TV, navigate your shared library, and play the file directly from your computer. If a file won't play, convert it to H.264 or HEVC with Handbrake. Re-import and test again to ensure smooth playback and correct audio tracks. Finish by stopping AirPlay or closing the computer's app, and verify subtitles, chapters, and audio tracks play correctly on the Apple TV. If playback stalls or desynchronizes, restart the Apple TV, your router, and the source device. Once restarted, try Ethernet or the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to reduce packet loss. If a file still fails, reconvert it at a lower bitrate and re-add to your library. Remember, network quality often causes issues. Fix that first, and most problems disappear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.